Well, hello there. Welcome once more to Kwanchua's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I'd like to say a very warm akwaba to you. So yes, I know this is a little bit overdue, but I still wanted to share with you our Thanksgiving dinner, which was so beautiful. We really had a good time with our family and friends. I hope you enjoy watching this. So on Thanksgiving Day, I was up bright and early at 4 o'clock and I started making our pies, cakes, and bread. So this is the pumpkin pie. And then I proceeded to make the cheesecake, which is always like another big hit. Everybody loves the cheesecake. And all these, I have recipes here, except for this carrot cake. So I made the carrot cake and then went ahead to make cornbread. I also made some meat pie, and this was very delicious. For the filling, I used some grass-fed lamb, and boy, was it good. So after this, I went ahead to prepare my meat, and I started with the leg of lamb. I used 2 pieces of that, and I had to pan sear it first. So I used my turkey roasting pan to pan sear it, and then once it was pan seared, I transferred it into the oven, and then I could make the turkey in the pan. And the turkey stayed in the oven for almost 5 hours. Yes, it was a 22-pound turkey. So my niece Sarah came over. She let her dad drop her off early so she could help Auntie set up. She helped frost the cake and with the punch. Thank you, Sarah. I love you. And at 5 o'clock, everybody's here now, and we are ready to have this dinner, express our gratitude to God, our friends, and enjoy. So in your view right now is all the spread from Nanaba. Yes, she brought all that. Thank you, Nanaba, and everything was delicious. We'll take a look at that once more. And that was our amazing turkey. We have our drinks on this side and everything. Oh, this is a sobolo that I made. That is Bisap. My friend Edwidge made this delicious ginger drink. And we have everything over there. Like, that was so much food. Just way too much food almost. So this angamo, delicious angamo samosa and fried rice came from Nanaba. Boy, mwah. So here are some grilled catfish, and this was a hit with everybody. This is ham. I have the sweet potatoes over there, candied yams. This is the leg of lamb, one of them sitting here. This was so good. And our turkey is cut up at this point, and this light soup from Juliet, boy, amazing. It was so delicious. It's going to be talked about until the next Thanksgiving. So the kids had so much fun playing with their friends and cousins. Being away from our various families, it is essential that we find families for the kids to have aunties and uncles and cousins. And we are thankful to have friends like this and to be able to share moments like this with each other. We really had a great day. In your view right now is ginger drink that my friend at Beach brought, and I made the sobolo and this fried rice. I told Nanaba, of Nanaba's kitchen. I was like, Nana, if I could have a little bit of the wealth, how rich your fried rice is, if I could be a little bit as rich as it is, my world would be made. I wouldn't need to be struggling this much. And this jollof from Reggie, amazing. She makes the best jollof. I'm always asking her to make jollof when we have to cook. And look at everything else. This is scalloped potatoes from Edwidge. Amazing and delicious. I'm trying to get her to make a recipe for you all, and she bought some macheke. She's Ivorian, and that was a big hit with the catfish, the grilled catfish. And this cranberry raspberry punch I made for the kids, delicious. I hope to share the recipe with you. And the carrot cake, the kids went ahead and got that. This is Nanaba's beautiful daughter getting the cake, delicious. And look at us, we had fun, great conversations, a great dinner, great moments with great friends, and I am thankful to have all these special, amazing people in my life.
I put her in the cab and paid for it, and I walked home. It's mad.
Trust me, we sat at this table for 3 hours and over, chatting, having a great time, laughing, sharing experiences. It was just a very great evening. The kids played in groups, age groups. The boys are upstairs somewhere jumping around. And every time we adults said something funny, they would come clapping for us and singing happy birthday. We don't know where that came from. It was so cute. And look at how amazing our friends were. They helped clean up, and we loaded the dishwasher, and all you see is for me to load up the next morning. So I hope you enjoyed sharing our evening with us, and until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.